So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. Wow, the stylist is cutting a lot of hair with this one. So it looks like he did a bowl shape bob with the beautiful bangs going there in the front. Very nice. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more haircut transformations. Here we see the stylist doing a shag haircut. And as you guys know, the shag is one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing in 2023. Oh, very nice. She was able to achieve so much height and volume within the cutting. Beautifully done. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, looks like we have a mid-length transformation with some layers. Very nice, and he did add some French bangs to frame out her face in the front. Gorgeous. Ooh, beautiful pixie bob haircut. She does have the feathered bangs going there, really creating a nice amount of body and movement throughout the strands. Very nice. Beautiful transformation. Ooh, wow, this is an absolutely gorgeous all black pixie style. She does have the bangs to frame out the face. Wow, absolutely stunning. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.